Hi friends, in this video we will learn how to square numbers from 1 to 125 in just 3 to 4 seconds. And many of the questions, guys, we will try to work out even in like 1 or 2 seconds. So in the starting, we will learn how to square numbers between 100 to 125. Let us say 100 square, we all know there are 2 zeros, so it becomes 40, which is 10,000. If it is 101 square, we will consider 100 as a base value. So how much more than 100? 1. What is the 1 square? 1 square is 1. But I'll write that down as 2 digits, so 0, 1. Now 101 is 1 more than 100. So I'll be plussing 1 in 101. So 101 plus 1, which will be 102. And that's my square number, guys. Yeah, so let us say 102 square. This is 2 more than 100. So 2 square is 4, but I'll write down that as a 2-digit number. And 102 is 2 more than 100. So 102 plus 2, which will be 104. Done, guys. 103 square. So 3 more than 100. 3 square is 9. I'll write down as 2 digits, so 0, 9. And this is 3 more than 100. So I'll be adding 3 in this number 103. 103 plus 3, which is 106. Done, guys. Yeah. So you can see pretty much in 2 seconds, 3 seconds, you can get your answers. 108 square, which is 8 away from 100. So 8 square is 64. And now this is 8 more than 100. So 108 plus 8, which is 116, and I'm done with this as well. Now, a little bit more challenging question. Again, the same method, but a little bit of a more calculation involved. But again, it will not take more than 3 to 4 seconds. So 112 square. This is 12 more than 100. And 12 square is 144. But I'll write down 144 as 44 and 1 as a carry. So because I can write down only 2 digits, so 1 as a carry. Now this is 12 more than 100. So I go to plus 12. So 112 plus 12, which is 124. Because 12 plus 12 is 24. And if I add them up, it's going to be 1, 2, 5, 4, 4, which is the square of 112. It is 118 square. So this is 18 more than 100. And 18 square is 324. So I can put down 24 and 3 as carry. And this is 18 more. So I go to plus 18. 118 plus 18, which is 136. So I can put down 13924, which is just the square value. If it is 121 square, this is 21 more. 21 square is 441. So I can put down 41 here and 4 as carry. And this is 21 more than 100. So 121 plus 21, which will be 142. And if you add them up, 14641. That is the square for 121. If it is 125, 25 more than 100. So 25 square is going to be 625. You can put down 25 here, 6 as a carry. This is 25 more. So I go to plus 25. 125 plus 25 is 150. And if you add them up, 15625. And I'm done with all my squares from 100 to 125. Now we will learn how to square numbers from 75 to 100. Again, we are going to do the very similar process. Our base number is still going to be 100. So let us say what is the things required to do here is, I'll be thinking 99 square. So how far this is from 100? 1. 1 square is 1. I'll write down that as a 2-digit number. So I'm doing the same process what I used to do before. But now this is 1 less than 100. When it is 1 less than 100, I'll be doing 99 minus 1. 99 minus 1 is 98. So that is the square of 99 square. Let's do a bit more question. That's it. 98 square. How far from 100? 2. 2 square is 4. I'll write down that as 2-digit number. 2 less than 100. So I go to further minus 2 in that. So 98 minus 2, which is 96. So that is the square, guys. You can see in 2 seconds, 1 second, you can get that done. 97 square. 3 away. 3 square is 9, so 0, 9. And 3 less. So 97 minus 3, which is 94. 94 square, which is 6 away. 6 square is 36. And then I go to do 94 minus 6, because 6 less than 100. 94 minus 6 is 88. So that is done as well, yeah? Now 91 square, 9 away. So 9 less, so 9 square is 81. And as we can understand, 9 less, so I got to make 9 less here. 91 minus 9, which is 82. Yeah? Now a few challenging questions, guys. Let us say 85 square. So how far from 100? 15. So 15 square. 15 square is 225. But I'll put down 25 here and 2 as carry, 225. Now 15 less. So I'm going to do 15 minus here. So 85 minus 15, which will just be 70. And then I'm going to just plus them. 7225, which is the square of 85. If it is a 79, guys, a little bit of a challenging question, yeah? So 79, how far this is from 100? This is 19 away. What is 19 square? 361. So I'll put down 61 here and 3 as carry. Now this is 19 away. So I'm going to do 79 minus, sorry, my bad, I think this is 21 away. All right, I'll redo, guys, sorry. So actually 79 is 21 away from 100. So 21 square is 441. So I put on 4 here and 41 here. Yeah, 441. And now 79 minus 21. So if I do minus 20 first, so 69, 59, one more, so 58. And I can plus them, yeah? So that's therefore 1 here, this is 2, and this is 6. 6, 2, 4, 1 is the answer, guys. Once you know the method, guys, if you make a mistake, you can still correct it, yeah? And 75 square, so we know like 75 is 25 away from 100. 25 square is 625. So you can put down 6 as carry and 25 here. And 75 is 25 less than 100. So 75 minus 25 is 50. And if you add them up, 5, 6, 2, 5. So now, guys, you learned how to square numbers right from 75 to 100. Now, you will try to learn how to square number from 50 to 75. For that, guys, you could understand a little bit more. Our base value is going to be 50. Before we were taking base value as 100. Now we're taking 50. But here our reference value is 25. What is that? Don't worry now. When you do the question, you'll understand. Let us say 51 square. 51 is 1 more than 50. So 1 square is 1. So write down 0, 1. And this is 1 more than 50. But I'm not going to do like 50 plus 1. I'll be just adding that into this reference value. How much is more than 50? That I go to add up in reference value. So this is 1 more. So 25 plus 1, which is 26. This is the answer. Now the next question, let's say 52 square. So 2 more than 50. 2 square is 4, 0, 4. And this is 2 more. So that 2 I go to add into reference value 25. So 25 plus 2 is 27. If it is 53 square, 3 more. 3 square is 9, so 0, 9. And that 3 I go to plus in 25. So 25 plus 3 is 28. If it is a 54 square, 4 more. 4 square is 16, and that 4 I got to add up in 25. 25 plus 4, 29. Can you see, guys? Just in a 1 or 2 seconds, you can work it out. If it is a 58 square, 8 more. 8 square is 64. And this is 8 more. That 8 I go to plus in 25. 25 plus 8 is 33. Now, 64 square. A little bit more challenging question. This is how far from 50? 14. 14 more than 50. And 14 square is 196. So 1 carry and 96 here. Now this is 14 more. So I've got to do 25 plus 14. If I do 25 plus 15, that's 40. 1 less, so 39. So I can put down 39 here. And if I add them up, this is going to be 4096, which is my 64 square. Even more challenging. 71 square, guys. How far it is from 51? 21 away. 21 square is 441. So 4 carry and 41 here. And this is 21 away. So I got to do 25 plus 21. 25 plus 21. 20, 20, 40. And 5 plus 1, 6. So 46. And if I add them up, that is going to be 41 as it is. 4 plus 6, 0. And 5. So 5041 is my answer. If it is 75 square, this is 25 away. So 25 square is 6, 25. And then 25 more than 50. So I go to plus 25. 25 plus 25 is 50. So my answer is going to be 5, 6, 2, 5. How cool, yeah? Now at the end, guys, we will try to look how to square numbers from 25 to 50 square. Again, the same process. My base value is 50. My reference value is 25. So let us say this is how far from 50. Just 1 away. 1 square is 1. So 0, 1. And now this is 1 less than 50. So my reference value is 25. So 1 less than 50. So I'm going to do 25 minus 1, which is 24. This is like 48 square. So 2 square is 4, 0, 4. 2 less. So 25 minus 2, which is 23. 47 square. So 3 less. 3 square is 9. 3 less. So 25 minus 3, 22. If it is 46 square, 4 less. So 4 square is going to be 16. 4 less. So 25 minus 4, which is 21. Now 41 square is 9 less. So 9 square is going to be 81. You can do, guys, with me, and believe me, you will really enjoy this. This is going to be super easy for you. So 9 square is 81 and 9 less here. So you can do 25 minus 9, which is going to be 16. Yeah. Now, few more challenging questions, guys. 38 square. How less it is from 50? 12 less. 12 square is going to be 144. So 1 carry and 44 here. Now this is 12 less. So we're going to do 25 minus 12, which is 13. And then you can add them, which is 1, 4, 4, 4, which is the square of 38 square. If it is 31 square, 31 is how less? 19 less than 50. So 19 square, which is 361. So 3 carry and 61 here. And how far from 50? 19 less. So 19 less. So we're going to do 25 minus 19, which is just 6. And then I can add it up, which is 961, which is the square of 31. Now the last one, guys, let's say 29 square. If it is 29 square, how far from 50? 21. And 21 square is 441. 4 carry, 41 here. And this is 21 less. So I can do 25 minus 21, which is just 4. And if I add it up, 841. This is the square of 29. Yeah. So guys, now successfully you have learned how to square from 1 square up to 125 square just in, guys, 2 seconds or 3 seconds. Yeah, but at the most, if it is really challenging, it can take 4 seconds. Yeah, and my apology, guys, my voice is a little bit not good today. Yeah, sore throat. But thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed this learning, and looking forward to see you in the next video, guys. Bye.